So this drama involving Jamaica's Olympian Janelle Brownfield claiming to be afraid to return to Jamaica because of online threats and abuse. Now obviously, she knows how she feels and no one can feel what she's feeling for her. But it sounds like a reach to me to think that Jamaicans would harm Janelle Brownfield because she told her boyfriend no lies, Jamaican secrets, or because she celebrated with her boo after he beat Kishan Thompson in the 100 meters. Things bad, but we know that bad. Yes, she might be uncomfortable because as an athlete, she was not exceptional and she got some criticisms. And of course, as the spouse of our biggest rival in track and field, she gonna get some pressure on social media. But this thing about life is in danger is a bit sensational. She has the right and the privilege to live overseas. She can do that if she wants. But this fear of attack argument, it sounds flimsy to the maverick. Yes. Oh, it sounds to you. Oh, it sounds to you. Let me not tell you, man.